Hey guys, my name is Marrow Tech, back in a tech review. Today on the channel, we're going over the brand new headphone by Nothing. This is CMF Headphone Pro, and this might be the best budget headphones for year 2025. All right guys, in the box you're getting the CMF manual. You get this carrying case for your headphones as well. A 3.5 auxiliary port for headphone jack, and the headphone itself. All right guys, before we do a walk around the headphones, real quick, talk about the price. These are priced at $100. You have 3 different colors. You have a dark gray, light gray, and light green. It has a 40mm driver that has high-res audio support and LADC support. You have spatial audio, low latency mode. You have 100 hours of playback time when ANC and turn off, and 50 hours when it turns on. You have quick charging. 5 minutes will give you 4 hours of playback time. It does have Bluetooth 5.3, which allows you to connect up to 2 devices at one time. All that for the price of $100. Do a quick walk around the design. When it comes to the design, it really look really nice. Very subtle labeling on the side here. Very simple on both sides. It's seen by Nothing. The headband is very comfortable, very soft. Okay, got a nice little cushion on top of the headband. Got nice flexibility. Have the sliders here to increase the size of it if you want to, if you have a bigger head. When it comes to the rotation of the earmuffs, you have full 90 degrees, so you can lay it down flat on the table or flat on your chest. The ear cups are very soft, very comfortable, memory foam type. A big selling point on these right here is the fact you can take these off and interchangeable, so you won't buy different colors or replace them. You sure can. $25 on their website. Probably come here soon. You can put it on their website or on Amazon to get them. On your left hand side, on your earmuff, you have your energy slider, which will increase your bass when you want to get the more of it. Right here is your Bluetooth button / power button. Your 3.5 auxiliary port right here. On the side right here, you have your your volume up and down button, which also double as a button for pause and play, next track, answer phone call, hold it down, turn on noise cancellation. Right here is your action button. It can be programmed to turn on for assistance, noise cancellation, low latency mode, and transparency mode, and much more as well. You'll see that here in a little bit, and then your Type-C charging port. All right guys, so this morning I'm about to head to the gym, and I thought it'd be perfect time for me to take it to the gym, test it out, get the good quality. But before I do that, let's go ahead and set it up. Yes, I know you can probably set it up regular with Bluetooth, but to get the most out of this, you probably want to download another application and be able to play with the presets. So you'll be able to customize your EQ settings, to customize the transparent mode and the bass mode. So real quick, let's go ahead and walk through that. I'll do a quick walk around of application. Right now you have the headphones right here in front. You got your first name here, CMF Pro headphone pros. Battery percentage, 70%. You have notification turned on. Right now it's on low, mild, high, adaptive, transparency mode, off. Spatial audio, you have concept mode, cinema mode, or off. Personal sound is allow you to do like a audio sound test where you hear beeps and tones, and then you push yes, you hear it, no, you don't hear it, silence and stuff. Right here is your EQs. You have 5 presets and then 6 to customize it. Right here is controls. This is where you be able to go in here and change your set. So like for instance, if you want to do single tap on one button, it allows you to turn on noise cancellation, or you want, press and hold to turn on voice assistance, all the way down to, next track, previous track for phone calls, etc. Low latency mode, you turn it off and on. You want to use that for playing games. Dual connection, allow you to connect devices at one time. So if you have 2 phones connected and one phone go off and ringing, it will automatically switch to that phone to connect. Device settings, show you the high audio. So you have ACC and LDAC right here. I turn on the LDAC for Android support. Find my headphones. I like this right here. Check this out. This sounds amazing. It said make sure it's not wearing it because it's loud, and it definitely is. All right guys, just got to the gym. And when I'm not testing out headphones and stuff, I typically use my Sony XM6. So today, as you see, I'll be rocking the CMF Headphone Pro for the gym sessions. We're gonna do a good trial, see how they sound, because today is back and buys, so it might be a hard living day. So I need some good bass, some good audio sound. So we're gonna try it out right now. So it's time for you to go to sleep.
A few moments later.
The mugs bait. You got the noise cancellation. You have 4 different modes: the low, high, medium, and adaptive, and it does phenomenal. There's some times where I didn't have to turn on adaptive noise. I left it on, medium, or sorry, mild. It had on the setting in there, mild, and it sounds phenomenal. But you have options like that to continue on. Okay. When it comes to the sound, I think it did an amazing job. Amazing bass for one. Sometimes you had to turn down the bass a little bit on the switch, on the slider. You definitely have to turn down the bass because it can be overwhelming sometimes. But it's there if you want that extra bass. Okay, definitely have a very punchy, powerful bass, but the vocals are there. You hear the vocals very clear. The mids are there, really rich and stuff. The highs and lows, all that sound really crisp and say. Just that bass definitely is there. So when you activate that slider, just know that you're going to get some bass from these bad boys. All right, guys, real quick, this here is a quick mic test of the CMF Headphone Pro. Comment down below on how I sound. I'm about to go outside, so I want to see if I can get some wind noise and see make a difference. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so now I'm outside, walking around a little bit. Comment down below how I sound. The transparency mode sounds amazing. I'm still able to record. When I was doing it earlier today, talking to my father on the phone, I was able to talk to him just fine. Car drove by me, heard a car a good distance away. It didn't sound too robotic or too distorted. Get a little bit of wind noise right now. So let me know how I sound in the comment down below. Did I sound too far? Did I sound distorted? Did I sound better? Did I sound the exact same when I was in the house? Let me know down below. Battery for me has been amazing. These have amazing endurance, 100 hours. I definitely see this being perfect for people who need to be traveling, always traveling around the world, whether you're going across the country and stuff. Even you have ANC turned off, a 24-hour flight to Japan would be perfectly fine with this type of headphone, because last 50 hours with ANC turned on, and then if you need to charge it up 5 minutes, you need 4 hours playtime. So I think they did a really good job. Selling point on the headphones is a good job with battery life. Overall, guys, I think CMF by nothing did an amazing job with this headphone. Like I said, you're getting amazing battery, amazing quality audio, amazing noise cancellation, transparency mode. You have multiple customizations like low latency mode, spatial audio, customize your buttons, layouts, all of that for $100. Like I said, you're not getting the high-end specs like removable, pause and play, or touch pads, ear caps, but this is damn near a good investment to buy for $100 for the price. I will leave a link down below if you want to pick some up, guys. I am Marrow Tech. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.